What's the meaning of brunch? Brunch. Brunch.
Brunch. Brunch. Brunch is a combination of breakfast and lunch, typically eaten during late morning to early afternoon. The term brunch originated in England in the late 19th century, but it became popular in the United States in the 1930s. Brunch dishes usually include a mix of sweet and savory items, such as eggs, pancakes, waffles, bacon, sausages, sandwiches, and pastries. It's a versatile and casual meal that's perfect for weekends or lazy days, where people can catch up with family and friends over delicious food and drinks. Overall, brunch provides a satisfying and enjoyable dining experience for those who love to celebrate food.